Welcome to the 30-day email list building challenge. I'm glad you're on this journey with me. Over the next 30 days, I'm going to show you how to build a 250-member email subscriber list using primarily free tools and free website traffic. However, I'm not just going to tell you how to do it. I'm doing it myself along with you and sharing the daily journey. Building an email list for free is possible, but it's going to require commitment of time on your part. I'm going to make this process simple, but don't confuse simple with easy. It's going to require effort. However, the payoff of building an audience of people who know, like, and trust you is absolutely worth every hour you spend. If you have a message you want to share, or you want to learn how to make an income online, then a responsive audience is essential. Having an audience allows you to build relationships and have influence. Relationships and influence are the keys to profits in any business today. We don't live in a transactional world anymore. We live in a world of relationships. People like to buy and support those who they know, like, and trust. It's more than just the sales transaction. It's the relationship. Already in this video, I've mentioned the phrase know, like, and trust twice. There's a very good reason for this. It's the core of our business model in the relationship marketing world. You need to get people to know, like, and trust you. When people trust you, they're open to your recommendations and ideas. They listen to what you say because they see you as someone who knows what they're talking about. They look to you for guidance on issues that are important to them. However, you cannot get trust without first getting them to know who you are and like you, and like the way that you present information to them. Building an email list is mostly about the know portion of the model. You need to get strangers to know you by getting your lead capture offer in front of them. You send cold traffic from people who do not know who you are to web pages which make an offer they might be interested in. Maybe it's a free ebook, report, or access to a special video. To get what they want, they need to subscribe to your email list. Once they see your page and subscribe, then they know who you are. Since you have their email information, you can now start communicating with them in a way which will hopefully get them to like and trust you. For the next 30 days, we're focusing on getting as many people as possible to know you by subscribing to your email list. During this initial list building period, don't get distracted by what you're going to send to your new list in order to get them to like and trust you. You need to focus all your energy on building your list. Sending an email to a dozen subscribers is a lot of work with very little chance of a reward. You need to focus on getting enough people on your list to make those emails worthwhile. As I said before, the way email list building works is that you have to get strangers, or cold traffic, to visit a lead capture page which makes an offer. That shows you the two things you need to have to be successful in building a list. You need to be able to earn or buy traffic from strangers who would be likely to be interested in your offer, and you need a compelling offer or lead capture page that will make them want to give you their email address in order to get some reward. Earning and/or buying traffic will be the subject of future videos in the challenge. Today, we're going to talk about your lead capture pages. For the 30-day challenge, we're going to be using Your Viral List, which is a tool I created in 2017 to help people build email lists. It provides the lead capture pages and all the tracking of your traffic that you need in order to build a list of people in the business opportunity, make money from home, or online marketing niches. There are dozens of lead capture pages to choose from. All of them offer a free report or ebook on a particular topic in exchange for their email address. When someone puts the information into the form and submits it, then Your Viral List will send them a copy of the report and add them to your email list. You can integrate Your Viral List with popular autoresponders that allow you to actually then send follow-up emails to your new subscribers, or you can use the built-in mailer in the program. We're not going to worry about those steps in our challenge because we're completely focused on building the list, not sending emails at this point. You don't need to purchase or have an autoresponder program to complete the 30-day challenge. build your list first, and then integrate later. Your viral list normally has a monthly charge for its use, but you're going to get 30 days of free premium membership because you're participating in this challenge. If you do not already have an account at your viral list, then you can go to http://quickstartcoach.com/YVL to sign up and get a free premium membership. If you're already a member of your viral list but don't have a premium membership, then you can send an email to matthew@justaskmatthew.ca and request that I upgrade your account for the challenge. Please make sure that you include your member ID number at your viral list in the email. Getting set up with your viral list is the goal of this first day of the challenge. Tomorrow, we'll go over how the program works and how to pick a good lead capture page to promote. Thanks for watching and participating in the challenge. See you tomorrow.